Hello everyone. Welcome back to my channel.
I love you for infinity.
Let's start. I have made a video about faceplay that you can use template for free. And it's still free if you are using for the first time. For the first time, it will show premium, but if you close app and try again, it will show free to use. Here, most of the templates are premium, and some are free. So today I'm going to tell you about another application which allow to use this templates for free. First, open Play Store and search Mavita. Download this application. I have already downloaded. Open this application. Here you will find different templates. Choose one template and tap on Use. Tap on Agree and watch video. Here, you will be asked to watch video multiple times, so you can accept that. Now choose your photo and tap on OK. Here, you can be asked to watch video again. Watch video to save your video. Your video is saved to gallery. Thanks for watching. Subscribe my channel and press the bell icon for all latest updates.